Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in DIY tools and materials. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best epoxy resin for flowers, perfect for preserving your floral art in crystal clear beauty. Whether you're a hobbyist, artist, or small business owner, this is a resin you'll want to get familiar with. Let's talk about this 32 ounces epoxy resin kit by Shabebe. Straight out of the box, this resin is designed with creatives in mind. You get 16 ounces of resin, 16 ounces of hardener, 4 stirring sticks, 2 gloves, and a detailed instruction manual. It's everything you need to get started with minimal fuss. What sets this epoxy apart is its truly crystal clear finish. When you're embedding delicate flowers, whether it's a rose from a wedding bouquet or wildflowers picked on a nature hike, clarity is everything. This resin cures to a glass-like surface that enhances, rather than dulls, the natural color and texture of your blooms. There's absolutely no yellowing, and it's formulated to resist bubbles, so you get that flawless, professional finish every time. And speaking of yellowing, this is one of the most common complaints with cheaper epoxy products. But not here. Shabebe's anti-UV formulation protects your resin art from sunlight exposure, meaning your preserved flowers stay just as vibrant months and even years down the line. That's a huge win for resin artists and crafters looking to sell their work or keep heirlooms looking pristine. Now let's talk application. This resin is self-leveling and mixes in a super simple 1:1 ratio by volume. You pour equal parts resin and hardener, mix thoroughly for about 3 to 5 minutes, and you're ready to go. With a generous 40-minute working time, you have enough flexibility to place your flowers precisely, add pigments, and pop bubbles with a heat gun if needed. It's very forgiving for beginners but performs at the level a pro would demand. Another standout feature? It's food safe, BPA-free, and odorless. That makes it ideal for pieces that will live in the kitchen, like floral coasters, cutting boards, or even countertops. There's no overwhelming chemical smell while you work, making the creative process a lot more pleasant. Plus, the fact that it's non-flammable and non-toxic gives you added peace of mind during long crafting sessions. Durability is another strong point. Once cured, this resin is hard as a rock with a Sure-D hardness of 75. That's more than enough for most home and art applications. It resists scratches, moisture, and general wear and tear, which makes it ideal not just for jewelry or art, but also for practical items like trays and tabletops. This kit has also been tested extensively with common resin pigments, alcohol inks, mica powders, glow pigments, you name it. So if you're into making colorful floral paperweights, keychains, or trays, this resin won't hold you back creatively. Let's also appreciate how it eliminates common resin issues like craters, fish eyes, or surface crawling. Those can absolutely ruin a finished piece. But with Shabebe's formulation, you're much more likely to get a smooth, even coat without those frustrating imperfections. For anyone working with silicone molds, this resin demolds beautifully. Whether you're making domes, spheres, or custom shapes, you'll find it easy to release your castings with clean edges and no sticky spots. So whether you're preserving flowers for sentimental keepsakes or creating functional art, this 32 ounces epoxy resin kit offers a perfect balance of clarity, strength, and ease of use. It checks all the boxes for artists, crafters, and DIYers who demand quality and reliability. And that wraps up today's review. If you're looking for the best epoxy resin for flowers, this is the one to beat. Check it out, and let us know in the comments what you'd love to create with it. For more hands-on reviews like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching Product Critique. See you in the next video.